Want to make the most out of your iPhone 15 Pro Max camera? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we walk you through some easy-to-follow steps that will turn you into a mobile photography pro in no time. First off, you need to understand the basics. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max camera boasts 3 separate lenses: wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. Each of these lenses has a unique purpose. The wide lens is perfect for capturing landscapes, while the ultra-wide lens allows you to capture more of the scene. The telephoto lens, on the other hand, is ideal for zooming in on far-off subjects. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the camera's interface. Swipe left or right to switch between different modes like photo, video, portrait, and night mode. Each mode offers a unique approach to capturing images and videos. For instance, portrait mode blurs the background to bring focus to your subject, while night mode helps you capture stunning photos in low-light conditions. Another key feature you need to master is the exposure and focus controls. Tap on your screen to set focus, then slide your finger up or down to adjust the exposure. This gives you control over how light or dark your photos turn out. Don't forget about the HDR feature. HDR, or high dynamic range, helps to balance the light in your photos, ensuring that both the brightest and darkest parts of your image are visible. It's an absolute must for capturing high-quality images in challenging lighting conditions. Now onto some advanced features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max camera offers ProRAW and ProRes modes. ProRAW gives you more control over your photos in post-production, while ProRes allows you to capture cinema-quality videos. Finally, practice makes perfect. Spend time experimenting with different modes and settings. Try capturing the same scene using different lenses or modes. The more you practice, the better you'll get at utilizing the full potential of your iPhone 15 Pro Max camera. To sum up, today we've covered the basics of your iPhone 15 Pro Max camera, including its 3 lenses, different modes, and advanced features. We've also discussed how to control exposure and focus, and the importance of HDR. And remember, practice is key to mastering mobile photography. So grab your iPhone 15 Pro Max and start snapping.